In today's dynamic business environment, efficiency and data-driven decision-making are key to success. Google Sheets can be your secret key to achieving these goals. One of the most powerful features of Google Sheets is the if statement, which allows you to automate processes, categorize data, and streamline various aspects of your business operations. This class is designed to empower you with the essential skills and knowledge required to leverage if statements in Google Sheets, enabling you to enhance your business workflow, improve productivity, and make data-driven decisions. We will explore practical examples that can be easily applied to any business, regardless of its size or industry. We will start by demonstrating how if statements can be used to optimize inventory management. You will learn how to automatically identify when to reorder items, categorize inventory items, and streamline your stock control process. Discounts can be a powerful incentive for your customers. You will discover how to calculate discounts based on various criteria, such as order quantity, total purchase history, or specific conditions that fit your business model. Timely payment reminders are crucial for maintaining healthy cash flow. We'll delve into automating payment reminders based on due dates, ensuring that you receive payments on time while maintaining positive customer relationships. In addition to the main topics, you will also learn how to create custom solutions using if statements in Google Sheets to address specific business challenges. This flexibility allows you to adapt what you learn to your unique needs. This class will help you learn practical skills that can be immediately applied to your business. You'll gain a competitive edge by automating time-consuming tasks and improving decision-making. You'll enhance your business's financial management, inventory control, and customer relations. Lastly, you'll explore real-world scenarios and examples to understand the versatility of if statements in Google Sheets. The Google Sheets table that you see tracks various accessories available in a store. It contains a few columns. However, we'll move our focus to the last two columns. The column named Availability shows the current availability of each accessory, indicating how many units of each item are in stock. The column named Status is where we will integrate the if formula to determine whether a new order should be placed for an accessory or if there is enough stock to meet the demand. Let's add the function that we will use to fill out the last column of the table. The first element of the function is the cell from row 2 and column D. It refers to the value in this cell, which represents the currently available units of the accessory we are evaluating. The second element of the function is less than 10. It shows the condition and checks whether the value in the particular cell is less than 10, which is the threshold we set to trigger a reorder. The third element is the word reorder. If the condition is met, I mean availability of the particular accessory is less than 10, the formula returns reorder, indicating that a new item should be ordered. The fourth element is the word in stock. If the condition is not met, I mean availability of the particular accessory is 10 or higher, the formula returns in stock, indicating that there is enough availability. Then we just apply this formula to all cells in the status column, and it automatically evaluates each item's availability and provides the corresponding status based on the defined criteria.
We suppose you own a store and want to categorize your inventory as high, medium, or low. You can use the if statement to automatically populate the category column based on the quantity values. In this table, the category column groups the items into high, medium, or low, based on the quantity in stock. Before we add the if function, we should determine the criteria that will categorize the items. We can apply the following conditions. High for items with 50 or more units in stock. medium for items with 20 to 49 units in stock, and low for items with fewer than 20 units in stock. Once we've identified the criteria, we can move to the function. We just click on the first cell of the category column and type or add the formula. Here, I've copied the formula we're going to use. Therefore, I just paste it into the cell. As you can see, there are two if functions. The first if function checks if the quantity in stock, this is the value in cell B2, is greater than or equal to 50. If it is, it categorizes the item as high. If the quantity is less than 50, the second if statement is used to check if it's greater than or equal to 20. If it is, it categorizes the item as medium. If the quantity is less than 20, it categorizes the item as low. You can then copy this formula down for the rest of the items in your inventory list, and Google Sheets will automatically categorize each item based on its quantity in stock. For example, if you have an item with 65 in stock, the formula will categorize it as high. If you have an item with 30 in stock, it will be categorized as medium. If you have an item with 15 in stock, it will be categorized as low. This approach simplifies the categorization of inventory items and helps in making informed decisions about restocking or managing existing stock levels. In the provided table, we have a list of books with their prices, the number of units ordered, and the corresponding discounts. I will show you how to calculate the discounts in the last two columns depending on how many books are ordered. First, we will calculate the discount in the discount percentage column using an if statement to determine the appropriate discount percentage based on the number of units ordered. If the number of units ordered is 10 or more, a 10% discount is applied. If the number of units ordered is between 5 and 9, a 5% discount is applied. If the number of units ordered is less than 5, no discount is applied. Knowing the condition that we will apply to the discount column, we can add the if function in the discount percentage column. The formula checks the value in cell C2 and, based on the criteria, assigns the appropriate discount percentage. A book that has 21 units ordered will receive a 10% discount. You can then copy this formula down for the rest of the book list, and Google Sheets will automatically apply the discount percentage for each book based on how many books are ordered. The last column calculates the actual discount amount in dollars for each book. It does this by multiplying the price per unit, the number of units ordered, and the discount percentage. By using these formulas, the table provides a clear breakdown of the discount percentages and the actual discount amounts for each book order. This information is valuable for the online bookstore to offer bulk purchase discounts to customers based on the number of books they order while ensuring accurate calculations. You can easily apply these two simple formulas for your business, no matter which items or services you offer.
We suppose that you, as a small business owner, want to remind customers of upcoming invoice due dates. You have the due date for each invoice, and you want to send reminders if the due date is within 7 days. All you need to track the due date of your client invoices is the if statement. You should click on the first cell from the reminder status column and add the following formula. The if statement calculates the difference between the column named due date and the current date. For this class, we accept that the current date is 8 of November 2023. If the due date is within 7 days of the current date, it prompts to send reminder. If the due date is more than 7 days away, it indicates no reminder. This formula helps you proactively send payment reminders to customers with approaching due dates. This way, you save time and organize your business workflow better. Using if statements to automate payment reminders in a small business streamlines the whole business workflow. It allows you to focus on growth and strategic initiatives rather than spending excessive time on administrative tasks.